everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and please hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when I upload new videos. They're going to be very sporadic and unknown when I'm going to upload them for the next few months. If you are new to my channel, I will be starting radiation soon and I just don't know how I'm going to feel. So anyway, today's video, I got my BoxyCharm Deluxe. I don't remember what it's called. Boxyluxe. My Boxyluxe box. Yeah, I'm not feeling 100% today, so bear with me. So let's open this up. All I did was cut the tape to save a little time. Oh, nice. Ooh, La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. I love the months we get the Boxyluxe. And if you see a cat, she's right here. She's roaming around, so she might walk in front of the camera. She might not. Don't know. Right now, she's interested in the ring light and now the camera. Don't touch the camera. No, no, no. Mm-mm. No, no, no. You don't need the camera. All right, let's get started. Charlie, no. 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 Here, piece of paper. Piece of paper. There we go. Now, let's get started. I'm just going to pull out of the box and then find it on the card, and then we will see. First thing on top is, looks like a makeup bag. I haven't seen spoilers. I've been good. I've been good. I've been trying not to. Charlie, whoa. No, no ma'am. No ma'am. Sorry. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it looks like rose copper, but then it's got like that holographic. You can see like a rainbow in it. Oh, piece of paper. Piece of paper. Go get it. She's like a dog. She plays fetch. But only with pieces of paper. Alright. There we go. Oh, it's like a train case kind of shape. This is a nice size. It's better than just those little cosmetic bags. This one can hold a lot. It's pretty. There we go. Not bad at all. So, I wonder if this has a value or if it's just an extra. Ooh, train case. It's at the bottom. $20. I'd probably pay $20 for that if I was in the market to buy one, which I wasn't in the market to buy one, but I'm glad I got it. This box, it is $21 a month for the regular BoxyCharm, and if you upgrade to Boxyluxe every third month, it's $49. I think $49.99 or $49, just $49. I can't remember. And you get more products in it. So this is the upgraded one. So, all right, you don't get this every month. You ever get it every 3 months. Next, I see some Lily lashes, which I think I have a pair of Lily lashes. These are beautiful. They're in the style Gaia. Just like the yoga thing, Gaia. Those are pretty. Those are gorgeous. All right, let me see. Lily Lashes, exclusive faux mink, Gaia. $24.99. If you don't leave that alone, Charlie. Okay, Iconic London. Eyebrow cushion. Let me turn that down. Maybe you can see it. There you go. I think you can see that. Alright, let's see what this is. Are you excited? What is this, Charlie? You need that? Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty packaging. Let's see if I can open it. It has a mirror. This is what the inside looks like. And then it has this spoolie and brush to open up. They don't feel that great. would probably use my own. I've never used anything like this. Let's open it up. Let's see if I can even use this. That looks awful dark brown. You know what? I'm putting the top back on, and I'm going to give this to my mother-in-law. I don't think it's my color. I think it's too dark. Even though I have dark brows, I don't like to use anything too dark because then it makes my brows look even darker. So I am going to put this back in its box, and I'm going to pass it on. I'm not going to keep it. So I won't be reviewing this at the end of the month. So that sells for $40. Wow. Yeah, I'm not going to use it. Next, I see this Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening. It's a peel-off mask. That's what it looks like. I'm going to open this up because I love masks, so I'm going to try this. Oh, my goodness. What a kitty I have today. She's into everything. Wow, it feels half empty. My tube feels half empty. Okay, it's pink. I don't know if you can actually see that. It's pink. I'm not a huge peel-off mask fan. I like other kinds of masks, but I'll use it. I'll give that a whirl. That mask. Where's my wipe? That mask. Where is it? $34. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Next, I see this, the Confidence in a Cream. I have wanted to try this. I have a lot of moisturizers, and normally I wouldn't keep it, but it is something I want to try, so I'll just put it back in a drawer. I will try it out and review it at the end of the month. But I don't need to use it right now. I have a nice moisturizer open. Oh, that's what it looks like. It has a citrus smell. Oh, it feels nice. I do like that citrus smell. I'm not going to lie. That smells good. Citrus is my favorite scent. So, yeah, I will use this. I will use this one for sure. Alright, and the Confidence in a Cream. $48. Next, there's a lot of stuff in here. Deborah Lippmann nail polish set. This is what it looks like. $20. I think they're like minis. Oh, Donna and Modern Love. So let's look at these. Oh, these are pretty shades. One is a shimmer and one is a matte. Well, it's not a matte, but it's not a shimmer. So, those are pretty. Okay. Like I said, those were $20. A Becca lipstick, Ultimate Lipstick. There we go. And the Becca is... Charlie, quit. Becca's $24. And that's what it looks like. You approve? That's the end of it. My color is taupe. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Let's put that on my hand. It's a pretty... Charlie, I don't know if I'll wear that. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I don't know if I'll wear that color. I'll hang on to it. I'll give it a try. If I declutter it later, I'll pass it on to somebody else. Okay, that, like I said, that was $24 for that lipstick. Next, Moda brushes, a powder and a soft glow brush. Moda brushes, $29.99. Let's just say 30. I like to round up. And do you see this? This is the brushes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, do you approve? Let me put a little on you. Yeah, does it feel soft? Is it good? Yeah, they're Charlie approved. They're Charlie approved. Yes, that's pretty. They do feel good though. Those are nice. Yeah, those are Charlie approved. And did I tell you the price? Yeah, $29.99. 30. All right, I got something wrapped up. It's in this stuff. You want that stuff? Ooh, Cover FX face palette. I'm sorry, the cat is probably keeping it from focusing. Yeah, Charlie, thanks. Cover FX, $45. She is, well, I thought she was leaving. She's not leaving. Ooh, it's got a nice mirror, 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a finishing powder, and a brightener. There we go. See if those will focus for us. There we go. Pretty, pretty. Let's swatch. Let's do the highlighters. Do they have names? They feel a little powdery. Let's put them right here. Ooh, now that one highlighter is like a rose gold. Kind of a peachy rose gold. Highlighters are Starlight and Divine. So Divine would be that peachy one that I really like. That's pretty. Now, the contour is called Silhouette. It's a lighter contour than I probably would prefer myself. That's the contour. Yeah. You know what? I probably would use that as a bronzer. It's not really, I like a little darker contour. And then the blush, what's it called? Sublime. They feel like silk. Oh, that's Sublime. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I like that. And then I'm not going to swatch the finishing powder. Let's swatch the bright. Well, I can. Finishing powder, brightener. They're just normal. The finishing powder could be used as a highlighter. It's got a shimmer in it. But yeah, I guess that's for under your eyes. I don't know if I would put something that shiny under my eye. I'm going to be honest with you. But this feels really nice. This is a nice palette. How much is this palette? $45. That's nice. And then last, I got a Morphe palette. This is the 15N, the Night Master palette. The Morphe palette sells for $16. I had one big Morphe palette, the 35OS, and I decluttered it. I don't know what made me buy it, because the S meant that they were all shimmer. So, all right. Oh, this has got nice packaging, nicer than that 35O palette that I had. Really nice packaging. Ooh, pretty. It looks like, maybe it's just how it was pressed. I thought one of those colors looked like it had kind of been dug into, but I don't think so. Let me see if I can position that where you can see it. There we go. Those colors are not bad at all. Not bad at all. Charlie. Anybody want a cat? What are you into, Charlie? Very nice. Very nice. So, let's recap. I got the eyeshadow palette. the Morphe eyeshadow palette, the Cover FX palette, brushes, nail polishes, lipstick, mask, lashes, and the Confidence in the Cream. That's a lot. How many? That is, oh, in case, 10 items in this box. That is nice. So let me figure this up in my head. And okay, I come up with $302. I kind of rounded up a little bit. So $302, and this box was $49. Not bad at all. This was a really good box. So at the end of the month, I will do all my subscription boxes and bags, which I think this month I only have 2, Ipsy and Boxyluxe. So I will review what I got in those boxes, and I will tell you about them. So there we go. All but the, I'm not going to do the brows. I don't think they're going to be the right color for me, and I'm just going to pass them on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below if you got something different in your Boxyluxe. I'm wondering if everybody is getting the same things, or if there's variations out there. This says I got number 1. I don't know if there is variations of the Boxyluxe. I know there is variations of the BoxyCharm, but this one says I got number 1. So I just wonder. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.